More and more enterprises are leveraging cloud computing to lower costs and implement innovative services. The cloud computing market value is expected to reach up to $623.3 billion by 2023. Thinking about adopting cloud for your business? Let us help you. Microsoft Azure is an ever-expanding set of cloud services to help your organization meet your business challenges. Azure is currently available in 140 countries and regions. It offers a collection of more than 90 compliance offerings. Today, more than 95% of Fortune 500 companies trust their business on Azure. As a Microsoft Gold Cloud Platform partner, Advantech offers cloud solutions across Azure, Office 365, IT, AI, and IoT areas. With our global leading IoT and IPC competency, we can be your trusted consultant for hardware, software, and cloud solutions with our consultancy services in Azure AI and IoT solution deployment. We offer various cloud services for IoT, such as consulting for Azure IoT plug-and-play certification and WISE Device On software that bridges edge device data and Azure. Advantech WISE Device On software is a remote technology and web-based solution for device monitoring and management. It offers a single platform for standalone, private cloud, and public cloud environments. And it's preloaded in more than 600 Advantech board and system models. With its powerful functions, Device On can reduce operating and maintenance costs by more than 80%. In addition to offering Device On, we can also design Azure IoT architecture to deploy your applications in Azure for better stability and scalability. Advantech offers comprehensive technical and consulting services for your entire cloud journey. From cloud migration and deployment to operational maintenance, cost-benefit optimization, and security solutions such as McAfee Cloud Security and Acronis Backup and Recovery, we're always able to help optimize your Azure efficiency and experience. Ready to embrace a better cloud experience? Let us accelerate your digital transformation journey. Connect with Advantech. Connect with the future.